Here is a 1961 Knight Ocean Hopper Regenerative shortwave receiver. Came with a lot of plug-in coils for different frequency ranges. Here's the controls. Let's take a look at the chassis here. Has a rectifier tube, power output tube, and then a regenerative detector. It's actually got a choke filtered power supply. It's kind of strange seeing it in a real cheap little radio like this. I think they would have just used a resistor in something kind of cheap like this, but it actually has choke filtering. And the chassis is isolated from the power line ground by a resistor and capacitor. I'm going to replace these caps here in a little while. It's kind of too late for doing it tonight, but get these replaced or replace these old paper caps and see what it can do. It even came with the original box, and here's the cabinet. It's a simple wooden cabinet. And here's a little flap you lift up to change the coils, to change the bands. And then it came with Allied Lincoln brand headphones. It's got two jacks for the phones on the back for the high impedance phones that couple through capacitors, and then it's got two jacks here for the speaker output, and then a clip for the antenna.